Hi you guys, I am doing something new on my page. As y'all know, my page has its new name, which is Kiki's Wig Promotion. And Kiki is from my real name. It's not Kiki, but it has that short term in there. So let's see what this is. So this is my wig from Tinashe hair. I thought I'd do this wig company. I'll be right back to tell y'all what I ordered. And yeah. Okay, so I got it. So I ordered the loose body wave shoulder length wig, Glueless HD lace front wig. It's 16 inches. Lace size is 6x5 pre-cut lace. It's from Tinashe hair. Yeah, guys, I paid $171 for this and 39 cents. So I didn't actually pay that because I had got free shipping and I did a little discount. So I ended up paying $128.54, which is a good deal. So y'all gonna watch me install it. Let's get into the goodie bag, the freebies. Got a wig cap. Those are the bands for the hair. I got 2 lay downs for the hair as well. That's what came in that goodie. Now with the wig cap. He gave me 2. That's a plus. With the wig cap, I'm gonna show y'all how to lay it down and all. So you want to go pretty much past your ears. That's all I want to say. Past your ears. Matter of fact, let's go lay this down. So even though it's a glueless wig, y'all, glueless, I'm gonna glue it down. Cause I like to sleep. Let me put this elastic band on. This is Tinashe's hair. All the hair is out of it. Go on. And what I like to do is go and put my blow dryer on. Obviously, what I would do to this wig, I would just nothing really much to do. It's not shedding. It's not shedding as much as like these other wigs is. It's very soft. It's silky. Moves, bounce, diverse. What is diverse? It is very diverse in the fact that it is like you go apart and wear it to the side. Yeah, this is this is a plus wig for me. All right, and that is it. I'm out because I'm loving it. I had to go do a lot of business stuff, so this wig is definitely, yeah, definitely a yeah. And it came with a lot of good goodies. Yeah. Thank you, Tinashe Hair, for my lovely wig. It is actually shoulder length, like I ordered. Thank you. I love this wig. Go shop for Tinashe Hair. Go in there and see what wigs y'all do want. Okay? Like, y'all see it. I said it's soft. It do not shed. Like, it don't shed. Like, you know how you get hairs and it sheds? This one don't shed. Like, it don't shed at all. So, if I do style it, I'll show y'all on my Instagram page, okay? It's Kiki with Pomo. That's my Instagram. You can see what I'm gonna do with this wig. And yeah. See y'all.